Why SQL Alchemy is useful in Flask applications? So SQL Alchemy is essential in Flask applications because it provides an object relational mapper, or known as ORM, that simplifies database instructions by allowing developers to use Python objects instead of raw SQL queries like from SAMP or localhost PHP admin. So it supports multiple databases, enhances security by preventing SQL injection, and also manages sessions efficiently, and integrates with seamlessly with Flask, making data handling more flexible and scalable for smaller and bigger projects. So first, we need to install our Python Flask. So we open our terminal. So here is the fastest way I install my Flask and my SQL. So pip install Flask. As you can see, our requirement already specified because I already installed Flask before. So next step is to install our SQL Alchemy. So yeah, pip install Flask dash SQL Alchemy. As you can see, it's already requirement already satisfied because I already installed my SQL Alchemy before. So guys, we need to start our coding. So the first step is atong pag-import na sa itong mga applications, sa itong mga installed atong i-use ng mga tools. So from Flask import Flask. Then next is atong i-import nga SQL Alchemy. So from SQL Alchemy, ito tanay siya yung Flask, dapat Flask Alchemy is tapos Alchemy import itong spelling guys, Flask import na pala yun. Next ana is ang atong Flask app configuration. So app is equals to Flask underscore ato siya ang atong Flask configuration or atong app configuration. Next is ang atong database configuration. So sa atong database config close open bracket, tapos dahil siyang SQL Alchemy Alchemy underscore database underscore URI. Tapos ang atong sa atong table tapos tulok pa slash, then database at ang name sa atong folder or sa atong database bilang. Then next is ang atong app.config para sa track modification, hindi siya ma-config, hindi siya ma-edit. So hindi na siya config, siya ibutang SQL Alchemy track modifications is equals to false. Next ato siyang di man ito ma-initialize anong database if wala initialization. So para to initialize is equals to db is equals to SQL Alchemy app. Next step is ang atong define a model, like atong model or ang atong table. So may content kung sinasulod sa itong mga column o sa itong so itong lang, for example lang is user lang atong user as an example, user tapos db dot model tapos tutulog, tapos ang atong first column which should table name table name same sa ibutang sa above, use database name users itong table ng users. Tapos first is ang atong set atong primary key, which is ang atong mga IV, which is a common db.column, tapos db.integer is set as primary key, then is equals to next step is atong another column para sa atong name sa users. db column, but this time it should be string. db string, then at least 50. Then nullable, next is ang atong sa example, this no, it should be email db column, tapos db, that's string gap, no? Then at least 50 lang, 50. Then uniqueness, it should be unique. Unique is equals to true. Tapos nullable is false. Next, ang model is di mo na siya maano, if like atong define nato siya. Define score per self. And next is ang atong return niya is itong user f. So dapat anak pa din, tapos user, then curly brackets, the self that name. After ana is ang step 5, which is pag-create sa atong database and table. Ikaw mo ta nagbuhat kung si content. This time create na gid siya sa database and tables. So with app underscore context and it's open. Oops. Next ana is for create all natin. Create mo sa tong create na total ng doctor. Isa lang mo tong so for example, isa lang create all diyan. At create all. Tapos then print is para sa atong Acacia database successful and tables. Pag ano siya ano so after step 6 na rin ta sa step 6, which is basic route lang para ma-create atong simple app lang para mag-appear lang sa atong so app that root routing lang para to verify the app. Example lang which is slash route, tapos left na groups may rule so ang dito itong example ng guide sa ito index so return ito return from here lang plus up running is running. Yan ito siya para sa run application. Provide name score equals and underscore main, almost tutulog, then up that run. Itong igos lang ang default pass-through. And Control S. So as you can see here, ma-appear nga itong database. The user's ID, name, then email. Plus app is running. Well, thank you guys for listening.